as good and important these decisions are, you definitely need to be in the right environment to make the right decision, right? Yeah. Our environment matters a lot. And when I talked about the environment, I'm not really talking about a location. Yeah. I'm not talking about a location per se. I'm talking about personalities. Personalities you welcome to your geographical space, your physical or spiritual space. Many a times we don't know how important people we relate with or we speak with on daily basis matters a lot in our upbringing and in the kind of decisions we make. People we listen to. Now you must be ready to sanitize your hearing, sanitize your viewing. Now what you watch out, you must be ready to say it's okay. What are those things I conceive on daily basis? Are they going to take me to an expected end? Because it's life, a good life, a glorious life is a deliberate life. It's not just a life you woke up and you met. The truth is that most persons sorry, most person thinks it's okay. Let me just live my life. Everything will be fine. It's not true. It will not be fine. Some persons feel one day they'll just wake up and they say they won one kind big. It's not possible. If you ask the rich people, they will tell you that, or the wealthy persons, or individuals, wealthy individuals or elites, they'll tell you that they worked for everything they have. Not really with their strength. I'm not saying they worked it with their strength, but with the help of God. That is why if you want to change your life, it's possible. It's possible. But one of the first things you have to do is to sanitize your environment. Who are those people you speak with? Even on phone, like you must be deliberate. And like deliberate to the fact that you know how this person is working. You have to now you discover this bad habit. You don't like it and you want to continue the person. I don't know. It's either you tell the person to change and the person doesn't change, you have to leave that place. Like it's as serious as that. For you to have a better future, you must be radical in your decision making. And how will you be radical in decision making? Call the person after the person must not have. After a while, you told the person about this thing and it's not changing. Call the person that you see, I'm blocking your line. Like seriously, you tell the person, then you block the person's line. You are not annoyed with the person, but you want a better future for yourself. Yeah. Meet people you know they are making, you know this kind of habit you want to exhibit. Meet with them, tell them. If need be, you want to pay them for mentorship. Like, and be ready to learn. Many persons are not learnable, are not teachable. They can't be like there is a kind you must be able to pull off those things, those mentality of you must be ready to say, I don't like this life. This is what I like, and you go for it. Many persons are scared to go for, they are scared to go for what they want. I don't know. I begin to look at them like this. But the truth is that if you must make one step forward, you must be intentional. Yeah. You must be intentional about your move. You must be intentional. I'm saying this thing because most persons think people just make it by the grace of God. I will tell you the good news later. But the truth about life is that life gives you exactly what you impute in. That is why the first phase of what get making the right choice is what surrendering yourself with the right people. Yes, make sure the right people are with you always. Make sure you are hearing the right people. Make sure you are seeing the right people. And that is when you'll be able to make the right decision. Else, you will be a mirror of what you think you wish to be. Yeah. I'm saying it frank. I must be frank with you. I must be honest with you because today I'm here for you. And as you join me in this series, and you make the radical steps, oh my God, your life will be beautiful. You may not remember me after a long while, but I'll be glad that you take the right step by sanitizing your environment, cutting some people, block their lines. If I'm a part of them, block my line. Let me not call you again. I may not be part of your clique. I may not be part of them. You know, those persons you want to go and meet them, say, brother, sister, I want I want you. It's Like, I want to know this thing. You know this thing. I'm seeing this thing in you. Why not teach me? And be ready to learn. Not just like behaving as if this life is one. Like I tell you, this life is just one. And I want to spend it well. And God wants you to spend it well. And I don't know. I know you don't mean anything bad for yourself. And since you don't mean anything bad for yourself, I want you to stand up today and say, I want to get this thing right. I know I may have been getting it wrong because of the wrong procedure I've been using. But first, I want you to first of all discard all those friends you know you've checked their life and you know you are not going there. Discard from them. Because let me tell you, if you have for example, you have five poor friends. You are the sixth poor friend. You are the sixth. That is the truth. You have five worthy persons. You are the seven. You are the sixth worthy person. That is the truth. It's a principle.